Okay, welcome back to this presentation. I'm going to look now with you a bit more closely at the different areas we see when we're switched on a computer. I left last time by emphasizing the flexibility one sees. This in actual fact is still Windows, but I'm on a different computer now. I'm on an EEE PC, and the background has changed. It's not jet black. The icons, which I'm clicking on now, are slightly different from the ones we saw in the last video. The nature of this taskbar at the bottom here has changed. There's still a start button, but the graphics are slightly different on the whole. So I mentioned last time that one major way of interacting with these systems is through the medium of pictures, which are called icons. And we see that representation of things to do on a computer everywhere, not only on the desktop, which is this area, but also in the areas of the taskbar down here, where you see smaller pictures, each with different things they can do. For instance, this one here is showing me that I have a power supply coming to the computer. Incidentally, one way of understanding what these pictures mean is by moving the mouse on top of them, and you get a description of what that icon does. This one in particular might be easy for you to understand. It is about volume. So if I opened it up, I click on it twice, I'll be able to adjust the volume of the system. Underneath the start button, if I clicked on the start button here, you'll see another set of pictures, word combinations, quite similar to what was on the desktop, but arranged differently. Sometimes they're grouped into groupings, or underneath larger headings. For instance, connect to would have another set of grouped icon word combinations. Right. Even on the desktop, we have a great flexibility in what we see. We could change the background, for instance, and by changing its property. Don't worry too much how I'm doing this at the moment, but I just want you to get an idea of the types of things that you might do. And I go to this place called Appearance, and I would change sorry, not Appearance, Desktop. I could change the background. As you can see, we have a whole load of backgrounds. Let's use the Windows XP background, and we could apply that, and we see our desktop has changed, and it has this kind of rather nice design and the Microsoft Windows logo. And flexibility not only relates to what you see, but how you can do things. For instance, if I wanted to open this thing called Internet Explorer, I might do it by coming here and double clicking, and as we see, the Internet Explorer tries to open up. Just see it open it up. And there you have the page appearing. Let's close that. And let's achieve the same effect somewhere else. We could go here to the Start button and find again the Internet Explorer icon and word there. Let's open it up again, and we can see we've done the same thing. Let's close it again. And likewise, to open this thing, we might also right click on it and choose that particular command, and again we seem to have done the same thing. Let's close that. So basically, to summarize, be prepared to be able to accomplish tasks in different ways, and also to things to appear slightly different from where they appeared before. Thank you for the presentation.